Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Y2K outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and color it black and combine it with this hairstyle. And you're going to put on this necklace, make it black, and this one, make it black and white like this. And you're going to choose the sunglasses, make it above hat. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this top area and choose this top, and then we're going to make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this top. All right, and then again, I'm going to make it black. Okay, make it black like this, and then I'm going to put on this item, this one. Okay, and then for the pattern, I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, you can apply this pattern for this top, and then the next one, I'm going to choose this shoes. Okay, just leave it like that, and I'm going to go to this area and put on this item. And then I'm going to make it thick. Okay, done. And I'm going to put on this item as well. For this one, I'm going to make it this color. Sorry, this one guys, you can make it this color. And I'm going to go to this area and put on this skirt and also this one. And then we're going to apply, we're going to apply this pattern for the first selection. Oops. It's only one selection, and for this one as well, make it the same pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to this area. Sorry, I forgot to put on this belt. Okay, you can put on this belt, and we're going to go to this area, this one, and I'm going to put on this bag, and I'm going to make it this color. Oops, this one. Okay, and I'm going to go back to this area and I'm going to put on this mobile phone. Okay, and I'm going to make it tags toggle. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this Y2K outfit and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!